One of the things I find really inspiring as a designer is the feeling that's invoked when someone's in a space. It makes them feel a certain way. All that's left to communicate your intent is the space itself. To me, the beauty and the aesthetics of your workspace, it has to set a vibe that's gonna allow you to come in and feel like you're ready to work and get things done. I think there are aspects to be considered when you look at things that are not filler. Really, it comes down to meaning. In today's world, I think people are becoming more and more aware and wanting that story. I think that architecture has brought a deep satisfaction to me. At the end of the day, the architecture that we're designing and practicing is something that we want to be left long after we're gone.